This synth breaks every sound design rule and still wins. Operator in Ableton Live isn't just another plugin, it's a full-blown sound lab hiding in plain sight. Algorithm 1 is your classic FM stack. D feeds C, which feeds B, which feeds A. It's clean, controlled, and great for building complexity step by step. But algorithm 5 flips the whole thing on its head. It adds D and C together, then uses that signal to modulate both A and B in parallel. It's unpredictable, harmonic, and perfect for pushing your sound design in weird directions. Want to loop envelopes? Just go into any envelope section, turn loop on, and stretch the sustain. Now you've got rhythmic movement that cycles endlessly. For even deeper control, apply your pitch envelope to the LFO. That makes the LFO rate change over time, so you're modulating the modulator that modulates another modulator. Want your own waveform? Click the waveform window and draw it by hand. You can control the harmonics directly. Clean highs, turn aliasing off, grit and bite, leave it on. Open the filter section, activate morph, and sweep from low pass to band pass to high pass all in one knob turn. It's buttery smooth and expressive. Hit fixed frequency mode to tune your oscillators by hertz instead of notes, perfect for kicks, metallic hits, or weird percussive textures. And if you need stereo width, just crank the spread knob. Done. Operator isn't just a synth, it's an instrument for building your own instruments. Most people sleep on it because it's native, but it holds its own against synths that cost hundreds. Want to master Operator and other tools within Ableton Live? Comment Ableton and we'll DM you the link.